Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Christina, and today I'm so excited to share how I decorated my coffee bar for fall. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Christina, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you, and if you're returning, I'm just as excited to have you tune in my channel today. To kick things off, I'm getting started with a super simple project, a wreath that's going to hang over the wall above the coffee bar. It's super easy and affordable. All you need is a base like this one I found for just $10, which I was super excited about, a word sign to go in the middle, and a few fall flowers to decorate the sides of it. We're going to glue everything down, the flowers, the centerpiece. Once that's all done and set, we'll move on to putting together the rest of the coffee bar for the fall season. Let's get started. When setting up the coffee bar this time, I really wanted to make sure I incorporated both fall and Halloween without it looking too much like just one or the other. My goal was to create a look that could last all season long, from early fall right into Halloween. Since the color patterns in my home is already made up of neutral colors like golds and blacks and cream, I decided to layer in pops of orange to bring it that fall warmth. I also played around with different patterns like checkerboard print and even some funky playful pieces like a pattern vase and little Halloween witch shoes. So you'll be seeing all of that coming up in a few moments. And if you have any questions about where I got anything you see in the video today, leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll get back to you. If you have books around your house that match your theme, especially the colors, definitely consider adding them to your coffee bar area. I feel like they add such a personal touch and bring a unique character to the space. It's hard to explain, but it just gives the area such a certain vibe. It's like not just coffee, it's a little corner where you can slow down, flip through a few books, and really enjoy the moment. And there you have it, guys. The coffee bar is complete. I absolutely love how it turned out. I got my espresso martini glasses ready, along with a few extra glasses for iced coffee, because let's be honest, it's still a little warm out. I can grab a book, a snack, and just enjoy the cozy vibes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.